Which Messiah do you follow? One is the true Messiah who came in his Father's name to do his Father's work and to teach it to others, the living Torah. The other one is a false Messiah, the man of lawlessness that teaches that Torah is no longer valid. The man of lawlessness is tempting to follow because his message is simple: just love one another and always fall under grace. However, you can't possibly know how to demonstrate true love without the moral code outlined within the law on how to live and how to justly interact with others and how to properly worship Yehovah. The question then becomes this: how do you define love without Elohim's instructions? Without Torah, love becomes whatever a man decides for himself that it should be. Without Torah telling us that sacrificing our children to entities are wrong, one might come to the sad conclusion that in order to fully show your loyalty and love to Elohim, you must first sacrifice your child to his name. Or you could believe that promiscuity and free sex replaces marriage and commitment. You may even come to the conclusion that it's okay to murder someone just because they offended you in some way. It is the Torah that teaches us that murder is wrong, that adultery is wrong, and that human sacrifice is an abomination. Society did not create these moral truths. The Torah did. Society, no matter how civilized and ethical it pretends to be, it is naturally rooted in corruption. The Torah tackles the root of the problem, a person's heart, in Jeremiah 17:9. The heart is deceitful above all things and desperately wicked. Who can know it? Yeshua did not come to remove the Torah. He came to show us how to live it from the heart, how we could be like him, and how to keep it spiritually. Under the stone tablets, we were told not to murder, but under the magnified law, Yeshua taught us not to even get angry. Under the written commandment, we're told not to commit adultery, but under the Spirit, we are called not to even lust. We don't have to submit to these things because he gave us a circumcised heart with a new nature. This is not lawlessness. This is obedience made deeper. Yeshua is the living Torah, and anyone practicing lawlessness is following a false Messiah.